Oh my god, what are you doing with that? What are you doing with that? No! I know!
What's this? What are you using shotguns for?
Wow, there's 3 here. Oh
Wow,
my god.
oh.
Just run, just run, just run, just run, just run. There's
Oh
loads.
my god, there's about 6. Whoa.
Oh my god, there's a thing down here.
There's a
Wow,
fucking
there's
camp
2. Wow, there's 2 camps down here. Holy shit.
Wait, get your grenades out.
Will me. Hang on.
Eat. Not
Grenades
beds.
here.
Throw very
Grenade.
far, doesn't he?
Double kill.
Twat.
Far enough, apparently.
You
What the
twat.
fuck,
Watch
I
out.
wanna know. Ugh, oh my god, I've thrown
Wow,
one.
that completely missed. You know what? I'm getting shotgun out. I'm not messing around.
There's an issue here. He's quite big. Oh, fuck that.
Not any fucking more, you fucking mug.
That's what you get, fam. Push you.
One of them, you pricks. Oh, they run off! Shit houses. Hey, I'm wasting them. Fuck that.
What's he doing with t-shirt
There's
on?
Number 4. Oh my god.
You fucking off,
no.
what you dig.
It's...
Bitch. We're all running off at pace.
Oh my god, you've got like
Fucking
8
back.
people fucking chasing after you though.
Yeah, but what's this? That's his head gone.
I didn't-
Hang on, let me kill this worm thing. Can't fucking stand it.
There's more ammo and stuff here.
Can we
Yeah,
eat
why
that?
is
We
this
get some
in-
meat from that. There's about 6 of them.
Right.
Oh no, it's a
Right down.
shark. See?
Oh yeah, could be.
Pussyo. Get
Oh,
wrecked,
just
pussyo.
straight shooting it.
Straight
Oh,
shooting him, not
God.
messing.
Now,
Look at Red Man over here. He thinks he's pro in.
hey, now.
Fucking
Can have one of
wrecked.
them and all. What's this?
I've run out of bullets. They go absolutely flying, don't they?
What are you doing? Why'd you dicing him all?
Chopping all of his limbs off. There we go, look at that.
No, I
Dismembered.
can't eat him. But we're gonna fall at sea. It's like loads of drills everywhere.
Oh, I don't push box at sea. Ayo!
Ah, I've already got it. Ah. Ollie.
Betrayal.
Oi! Fucking stupid.
Bruha! Bruhaha! Are you mad?
We're off on that. Oh my god, wait, stop with that. Stop with that. Fucking
mad?
multi-fire, what's he doing? Dick.
Oi!
And then stop, you're gonna kill us. No, stop, you'll kill us. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, you're... Oh my god, what are you doing with that? What are you doing with that? No! I know.
What's this? What are you using shotguns for?
Because you're using things. Get jabbed and all. Get fucking jabbed with this. Oh my god, I'm nearly dead. No, no, stop, stop, stop.
Wanker! You fucking wanker! Oi!
Uncalled for and unnecessary.
What are you doing?
Oh no, 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 no. E.
Oh,
yes,
if
but
you
it-
don't hold
have
E
to-
to respawn. Ah.
Oh, no, 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 no health, no health. Stop. Fucking dick. Stop now. Stop.
Let me show you. Use a fucking shotgun. Fucking wanker on you.
Oh no, oh no.
Fucking stupid idiot.
Oh no, you haven't killed me up yet. Oh, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
All your fault.
shot.
Well, you shot with shotgun every time.
Yeah, because you run off. You think you're right good. You think you can get a last kill and you can't.
Oh, look at this. This is it. This is it. This is the bunker.
You fucking ought to be. We've been round map about 3 times.
3, more like 10, I think.
Oh, yo.
This is the actual proper like bunker thingy.
Oh, come on, straight in and that.
Straight in.
Wow. Can't see fuck all in here.
Wow, frame rates are nice in here. Oh my word.
Fucking hell, they are, aren't they? Gee. Wow.
Bloody hell. Oh my god, it
Oh,
freezes
no, we
all
need
the
to
time.
save. We need to save. We need to save here. Save quick. Have you been in here?
This is the main room. This is his penthouse suite, this.
Fucking master bedroom. This.
It's in here, look. Ah.
Shit.
E.
Hey, come on.
Oh, hang on.
You have to put your hand in it.
Put a hand in it.
Wow. Okay.
Well, hang on a minute, because there's a path down there. Hang on.
No, it's dead end. I've just been.
Oh, is it
It's
dead end?
Yeah, yeah. Don't go anywhere.
Oh my goodness me.
What?
What? Stupid.
Oh my God.
Stupid.
Get it now. Fucking hit it now. Hit it.
It's it, summit, man.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one behind you.
Hiyo! Fuck, stupid.
Right.
Wow, I am very, very nearly dead.
Fucking
Yeah,
hell.
what?
Oh my god. Get him now.
Oh my god, that missed.
Dick. Got him.
Hell.
Think.
Oh
Not
my god.
him.
Hiyo!
No, you don't. Flat. Oh, there's someone behind you. Oh my god, there's 2 behind
You
you.
stupid knob.
No, watch out. I think I got you.
Stupid knob.
Oh my god, yes, we shot at the same time then.
Oh my god. What, pussy out. Oh my god, he's gone absolutely flying. See, pace on that.
No, you don't.
Oh my god, hiyo! Get back. What are you doing? Back. Get back. Hiyo! Oh, it is. Look, look, look. I set him on fire with it, look. Get back.
Alright. Watch out, there's more.
Oh my word.
Fucking get crossed. Get crossed.
Crossed him. Crossed. They cheat, these lot. They dodge. Wow, there's a lot of them.
Now they're all round. Just watch out. Just spin round with fucking chainsaw. They can't get near.
Yeah, they can't get. They can't get.
Wow, there's 3 here. Oh
Wow,
my god.
oh.
Just run. There's loads.
Oh my god, there's about 6.
Just run. There's literally shitloads around us.
No thanks. I choose life.
Hiyo!
They're behind you. They're all behind you. Just burn them and run.
Burn him.
Where the?
Oh my word. Oh my word, I've gone in near me.
Right.
Oh, hang on,
Yeah,
who's
yeah.
this?
Hello there.
There's a geezer here with a
Oh.
laptop.
There isn't all.
What's
Oh,
that?
it's the
got some
cube.
sort-
Oh, it's the cube.
The cube.
Oh, is that counting? Is that counting down? Alright, this is the cube that we have to get out of. Now it's going to become a fucking puzzle, innit? Oh my god, this is going to be horrendous.
14 seconds.
Are you mad? What am I going to solve in 10 seconds? Alright, well that's the end of that then.
Oh my word, what the hell?
What the fuck's
Is that
going
meant
on
to
here?
happen?
Yeah.
He's just duplicated himself.
About 5 times.
Yeah. What the hell is that?
What in the world?
What the fuck's this? What's this? Now it's what? Fucking Black Ops 3 or something. What's this?
This is Halo 4, this.
Isn't it? What's going on here?
Yeah.
Is that it? Is this the end?
I ain't got a clue.
I mean, it is. You can sort of tell by music, but
Well, hang on, where's this billionaire man then?
that's him there.
No, it was the guy in the suit, wasn't it?
Oh.
Oh my word, what's that blob? Oh my word, what's that?
What's that? That's
What's
what
that?
happens after a Vindaloo, that. That's not good.
Disgusting! Hello? Okay, Got bum polyps.
I hope. Oh, he's here, look.
Same.
Okay. I thought he was going to nut him one then. Nick his
know.
helicopter and fucking fly off. And leave us all here. Oh my god, what do we do here?
I know. Oh, backpack's here, look.
Oh, we need it
Mate.
though. We get it.
Getting it. I worked hard for that.
Achievement unlocked, fight demons. Oh no, we didn't leave. Now we've got to stay on the fucking island and defend, I think. Oh no, I think we had a choice. Oh no.
Fucking stupid
Oh
or
no.
something. Hit him
Ow.
or something, man. Hit him.
Hit him or something, man. Oh my god, just hit me instead, are you? Yeah, shoot it down now.
Shoot it down.
Oh no, I've run out. Shit, hang on.
Oh, were we supposed to get on
Like
that
demon.
helicopter or something?
I think we had an option. I think it was either get on that and leave, which we probably should have done because now we can't do the achievement. What the fuck's that? Where have you just got fucking baby lotion out from?
No, that's canteen.
Oh yeah, it's water thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you say we try that one again, huh?
How's he still alive as well? He got shot to shit. I've
I don't
E'd
even
it.
know. I don't even know. I don't know who he is.
Oh, I got another
I've not
achievement.
even- Oh, I've E'd it. I've E'd it. Fought demons. Ah, that's a bit different, isn't it?
Ah.
If we don't get in that, I'm going to be pissed. Right, here we go. Oh, come on. Where are you? I've got in it.
Yeah, I've got in it, me. I think we're on both different cutscenes. Both on different cutscenes.
I'm pretty sure the guy opposite on the left is the one that you killed at the start. That was following us around and you just sliced. You just fucking whacked his
Sliced him
head
up.
in.
A game by end night.
What's that? That's some fucking PowerPoint text. That. What's that?
I know, hey, that's Arial font. That.
Fucking. That's got PowerPoint transition as well. You know.
I
Scroll
know.
up screen.
Oh my god, it's got blue shadow as well. Hi, yo.
Lead 3D artist.
What name
Yo,
is
he's
that?
good, eh?
Additional art. Malte Razanabaki Hana Lusarama.
Oh, yeah. And then you've got fucking Wayne Dalton underneath.
The text is not. The text is not straight. It's slanted straight doing my head in.
It's right. It's just off, innit?
It's just off. Yeah.
Anyone with OCD is going absolutely fucking ballistic right now. Why have you done that? Why have you done that?